Greetings from Tesla Stock News. This video will show you how Tesla is transforming its production process with a new body and battery design that will give them a significant competitive advantage. With its revolutionary design, Tesla reduces bulk by 10%, saves 370 pieces, and increases range by up to 14 miles thanks to two enormous Giga castings and a central battery pack that support the vehicle's structure. Tesla is utilizing a device known as the Giga press, which is a very potent apparatus manufactured by Hydra. Large metal parts for automobiles are made using high-pressure aluminum die casting, which is accomplished with the help of these equipment. Using two distinct Giga castings and 8 6,000-ton machines in Giga Berlin, Tesla is able to produce 4,000 vehicles a day or 28,000 per week. That's a staggering 1.5 million cars a year. Let's examine the specifics and see how this groundbreaking manufacturing method operates. First, though, please remember to subscribe and give this video a positive rating. The Model 3, Tesla's first effort at an electric car that could be mass-produced, was introduced back in 2017. Since the car's technology was disguised, automotive expert Sandy Munro dismissed it as not worth his attention. But after a year, he was motivated to have another look and was astounded by what he discovered. In a number of areas, including electronics, drivetrain, and battery technology, Tesla was a leader in the industry. But the car body was too big, too complicated, too expensive, and too hard to make. Munro discovered that the body in the wheel well consisted of 9 components rather than 1, which increased complexity and failure probability. The car body was wholly unsatisfactory due to the numerous varieties of welding and fastening techniques. Munro offered 227 upgrades for Tesla, but the body remained the main issue. Tesla CEO Elon Musk opted to improve their body design after receiving some helpful feedback. Tesla aspires to be the world's greatest manufacturer, and Musk is tired of hearing criticism about the caliber of Tesla cars. For this reason, Tesla has made the decision to transform the body and battery engineering in order to produce a leapfrog product that will give them a significant competitive advantage. Their new body design, which debuted with the Model Y at their Giga Berlin plant in Germany, consists of a central battery pack that supports the vehicle's frame and 2 enormous Giga castings. The new design will increase the vehicle's range by up to 14 miles, save 370 parts, and reduce bulk by 10%. There is more to the product than just the Giga castings. With the Giga press, Tesla is introducing new equipment to the car manufacturing sector. As previously indicated, they are utilizing the Giga press, an incredibly potent device produced by Hydra. Large metal parts for automobiles are made using high-pressure aluminum die casting, which is accomplished with the help of these equipment. These devices are already in place at all 4 of Tesla's Gigafactories worldwide, including 2 in California, 3 in Giga Shanghai, 1 in each of Giga Berlin and Giga Austin. Hydra has been producing these kinds of devices since 1946, and LK Technology Hong Kong, the company's parent, offers a related product line. But LK covers other markets, and Hydra concentrates on high-tech projects requiring imported machinery. Elon Musk has stated that China and Italy supplied Tesla with its first 2 Giga presses. Even in China, Hydra has a subsidiary known as Hydra China. These are enormous, potent machines. With a clamping force of 6,000 metric tons, the Model Y casting machine can exert 6,000 tons of pressure on the mold. For the Cybertruck, Tesla is said to have placed an order for an 8,000-ton machine made of metal. The machine has a weight of approximately 900,000 pounds, or 420 tons. However, what makes these devices so unique? They can produce large parts quickly and with thin walls, which is ideal for the automotive industry. With a minute and a half of cycle time, each machine can make around 1,000 castings in a single day. This is how it operates. At an extremely high temperature of 850 degrees Celsius, Tesla's unique aluminum alloy is melted down. The liquid metal surface is then cleared of any leftovers. The metal is sent via pipes into a warming oven, where impurities are prevented using a variety of gases. To make it simple to remove the casting afterwards, a robot sprays oil into the mold. A vacuum is used to force the air inside the mold out while it is clamped shut. Subsequently, the mold is filled with approximately 80 kilograms of molten metal at a pace of 10 meters per second. It's quite quick. The mold fills up in 60 to 100 milliseconds. After the metal cools, another robot removes it and puts it in a quenching tank. After that, the extra aluminum is immediately recycled by cutting it off. Thus, Tesla can produce 4,000 cars a day or 28,000 cars a week using 8 6,000-ton machines in Giga Berlin and 2 distinct Giga castings. That is a staggering 1.5 million cars annually, solely for the Model Y. What else could they have planned? Ensuring the robustness and accuracy of car parts is of paramount importance. For this reason, before the final castings are laser trimmed and fitted, they undergo computer measurements and x-rays. Oh, and you should use marketdiscipline.com rather than Yahoo Finance or Google Finance if you're seeking for stock quotes and financial data. The primary components of Tesla's current megacastings, or very large automotive parts, are silicon and aluminum, according to research done by Sandy Munro and his colleagues. Because of this, they are strong without requiring additional heat treatment, which could cause problems. The rear underbody of the Model 3 now requires just 2 large megacastings for the new Model Y, instead of the 70 components it used to have. Probably using the same alloy, Tesla will create larger castings to keep the crash rails and entire rear underbody together. This is significant because it allows for the production of automobile parts in a single large piece rather than several smaller ones. Although this concept is not new, it is difficult to convince the auto industry to accept it. However, Jerome Gillen, president of Tesla's heavy-duty truck division, believes it's a smart move. He even declared in 2019 that Tesla will build cars in the same manner as toy cars, a prediction Elon Musk also stated in 2021. Remarkably, the creator of a business that collaborates with Tesla's casting partner discussed building automobiles in a manner similar to that of toy vehicles. This suggests that they may be collaborating with Tesla to produce even larger castings. Oh, and the casting partner has an enormous machine called the Giga press that is capable of producing really large automotive components. An ardent admirer of their devices placed an order for 3 of them, the largest die casting machine globally among them. Therefore, it's feasible that other businesses will adopt Tesla's business model and use these large machines to produce their massive castings. Tesla uses a unique process to create customized parts for their vehicles. Although it wouldn't be very helpful for other automakers to replicate these parts identically, they might attempt to reverse engineer them or develop their own one-piece design. The multi-directional unibody casting machine, for which Tesla has a patent, enables them to construct the majority of the car from a small number of huge pieces. Other automakers haven't taken such action, yet since they find it difficult to adopt new manufacturing techniques. A few Chinese automakers have been attempting to imitate Tesla's strategies. Many have been questioning why Tesla doesn't just acquire the business producing this unique device known as the Giga press. But in order to be more flexible going forward, Tesla should outsource the production of these devices as they don't really need that many of them. In addition, they would inherit additional clients who would not be relevant to their business if they were to purchase the company. Tesla wants to be flexible enough to be able to change course if necessary in the future. For this reason, they are not purchasing the Giga press company or other suppliers, such as Panasonic, who produce their batteries. A possible disadvantage of Tesla's Giga press is that it relies on a limited number of machines to produce a huge number of car parts. Production lines could come to a stop if any of these equipment need maintenance or repairs, unless Tesla can swiftly get them back up and running. Another worry is that an automobile equipped with Giga press technology might be written off entirely in the event of a minor collision. This is not ideal since it could result in higher insurance premiums for Tesla automobiles. To control expenses, Tesla is refining its insurance offering. Furthermore, Sandy Munro noted that the Giga casting would not be harmed by a minor mishap. The Giga casting is very resilient, so the hit would have to be hard enough to reach it in order to cause this kind of damage. Elon Musk has also stated that any damaged part may be taken out and replaced, but this would lead to a poorly constructed patchwork design. All things considered, Tesla's Giga press is being incorporated into all of its factories across the globe and is regarded as the manufacturing industry's future. The Giga press will enable Tesla to produce more precise, high-quality electric automobiles while also enabling lighter, more affordable cars with longer ranges. How do you feel about the Giga press? Tell me in the space provided for comments below. Remember to subscribe and press the like button for more fantastic content.